Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of REDnote. We go to settings as you see and you will enter. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of REDnote and you will enter. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Sorry, not here. Then you will go to this window of storage, and after that you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.